Hey, this is the second video. So they're called Chapulines. And I have a big one right here. It's like the size of like my thumb. They have a um it's they have like a lime, not lime, but yeah, lime, like lemon and salt. So this is how they look, you guys. I'm gonna show you guys. This is how they look. So I'm trying them. Yours. Oh, so this is how they look. They're called chapulines. It's like a grasshopper. So my quesadilla is done. I'm gonna put some a little bit in there. It's done, you guys. So I'm gonna take it out. This is how it looks. I'm gonna sit down. I'm gonna show you guys. This is the Muckbang. So this is as far as that, I'm gonna put a little bit of the grasshoppers in there too. This is how they look. I'm going to put them in the quesadillas. So they look like this. And then I'm gonna eat yeah. Grasshoppers, you guys. They're called chapulines in Mexico. They eat them. They're that one's really. Oh, that one was good, right? Like nice and sour. But yeah. But yeah, I thought you couldn't like eat it because the Bible said. But in Leviticus 11, it talks about the insects that you can eat. You can actually eat locusts. You can actually eat locusts. It says animals that have insects that have wings and they have 4 legs you can eat. So I thought you couldn't eat them like a long time ago. I was like, it's weird, but I was not reading the Bible like that. But now that I do, I was reading it yesterday, Sabbath, and I realized that you can't eat it actually, and for emergency, you know, it's a locust, it's a grasshopper family, so you can actually